Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I am super cold and it's super windy out here because I am at Times Square, New York City. And I thought, why not, if I'm here, let me take you guys with me and see how much crowded this city is even after it's super cold and super freezing, just because this is Times Square and it's always crowded, and it's Christmas Eve, so it's doubly crowded. Let me take you guys there. Even though many stores close by 8 or 9ish in the city, this place is always bustling with crowd. Okay, this place tickets in front of me sells cheap Broadway tickets, just a tip if you happen to visit NYC. I have never seen the center of Times Square less crowded ever. People clicking pictures and watching the huge shiny hoardings is a common sight there. Also, the huge Broadway boards out here reflect the insane popularity they have in the city. This building in front of me is the famous Times Square Tower, where the iconic ball drop event happens on every New Year. You won't imagine the advertisements on the building generate one hell of a revenue. Now moving towards one of the hugest Christmas trees they put out at Rockefeller Center besides the ice skating rink. Let's watch it out. And yes, you can't ignore the hugely crowded place, though it was totally worth it when you see the Christmas tree. Okay, you can catch the glimpse of some light show happening behind the tree. I'll take you there in a while. Okay, so I somehow managed to get out of all the crowd, which is at the Rockefeller Center. And yes, in the spirit of Christmas, I bought myself a Christmas shaped light balloon. Okay, so now let me take you to the light show at Saks Fifth Avenue. If you haven't heard about Saks, it is an American chain of luxury department stores owned by America's oldest commercial corporation. The light show is amazing and it happens every year around the Christmas and New Year, and the holiday windows on display at Saks are really good. I think this year's theme was Creator of Dreams for the light show. Towards the Avenue of Americas, which is the 6th Avenue. This is the Radio City Music Hall, nicknamed as Showplace of the Nation. And yes, it is super famous for Rocket's dance performance every holiday season. as per me, I felt the 6th Avenue was the most decorated one. And yes, you can't ignore the crazy crowd there. As you can see, this is so cold that I wasn't able to do well just with my jacket's cap, so I had to put on another cap to prevent from the cold. But yeah, I am full layered up. You might have seen my previous video in which I covered Bryant Park around November, so I think this is going to be pretty cool since this is Christmas, and the additional thing that they have at Bryant Park now is a Christmas tree. So yeah, let's go. So let's move ahead to Bryant Park, and I'm gonna have my favorite waffles, which I love, and it's at the shop Waffles and Dinges. It's like everywhere. You'll find it at Times Square as well and many other places, but I kind of have always tried it at Bryant Park, so yeah, I'm super excited for that, and also the Winter Village. Merry Christmas. I know I'm super late this time, but I had my reasons. But I am back with my video because I couldn't miss showing you how much fun I had in New York. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.